Those are fresh visuals on your screen right now. Prime Minister Modi meeting the Indian diaspora. Clearly, a lot of gusto, a lot of excitement among Indian community members over there. There's the Garba being performed that Prime Minister Modi is witness to. He too is in applause of the people who gathered to give him a resounding reception, and the excitement of the members of the Indian community is there for everyone to see. In fact, I can tell you that later in the day in New York, where Prime Minister Modi will be meeting the Indian diaspora at one of the stadiums which will be hosting the event. Well, the capacity of that's around 15,000, but there were more than 30,000 people who were looking for tickets for that particular event. So clearly a lot of excitement among the members of the Indian community over there in New York. Excited and thrilled with the arrival of the Indian Prime Minister, and Prime Minister Modi as well, greeting them with his hands folded, and he too has a big smile on his face as he looks on these beautiful visuals on your screen that we have. So cultural performances over there. Prime Minister Modi meeting the Indian diaspora with his arms folded. This celebration, there's a sense of excitement. Everyone's thrilled as far as the Indian community is concerned to have the Indian Prime Minister in presence in New York. And the elation is there for everyone to see. Flanked by, of course, members of the security staff. He meets the members of the Indian community. Grand welcome from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Well, that's been the case ever since he arrived. It started from Philadelphia, where we saw people reach the airport, greeted Prime Minister Modi, then at his hotel where he was staying, and now in New York where he's arrived. He's going to be spending the second day in New York. There's a meet with CEOs and global heads from across various domains that Prime Minister Modi will be interacting with, followed by an interaction with the Indian diaspora, an address to the Indian diaspora. But prior to that, this is what's happening in New York. A sense of excitement to see the Indian Prime Minister. Now, this is Modi's first visit to US since he took oath for the third time. He also met the Indian diaspora outside Philadelphia. He signed a few autographs. There were selfies being clicked, and there's Garba as well that he saw.
न्यू जर्सी से हूँ और मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ। पहली बार उनसे मिलने के लिए आ रहा हूँ और मतलब मैं बता नहीं सकता कितना गर्व फील हो रहा है मुझे कि आके उनको देख सकता हूँ यहाँ पे सबके सामने। तो बहुत ही I cannot even speak like what I can say.
हम स्पेशली इंडिया से आए हैं अपने ऑनरेबल प्रधानमंत्री श्री को वेलकम करने के लिए। फ्लाई करके आए हैं बिफोर 2 days हियर, और ये हैंडमेड पोर्ट्रेट है पूरा। एक टाइप 1 डायबिटीज छोटे बच्चे ने अपने हाथों से बनाया है, और मोदी जी को वो थैंक यू बोलना चाहता है क्योंकि मोदी जी ने ब्लेसिंग से उनको फ्री इंसुलिन मिल रहा है, जो उनकी लाइफ सेविंग उनकी ड्रग है।
बॉस्टन से आई हूँ स्पेशल प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए। मेरा आर्ट्स मोदी जी को गिफ्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग, तो एक्साइटेड, तो तहे दिल से खुश हैं हम क्योंकि हम इंडिया का नाम कर रहे हैं, हम इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं अमेरिका में।
We are here to welcome our own Shri Narendra Modi ji. We all are super excited, very excited to see him and meet him personally, greet him personally. Bharat Mata ki jai. बहुत आँख में से आंसू निकल रहे थे जैसे नहीं भी ताली लगा रहे थे खुशी के
We are so happy. We feel like dance.
We are very blessed to have you
Yes.
here.
ढोलिया ढोल रे वगाड़ मारे ही चले विचे ढोलिया ढोल रे वगाड़ मारे ही चले विचे रे मारे घर में घुमूचे ही चले विचे रे मारे घर में घुमूचे ढोलिया ढोल रे वगाड़ मारे ही चले विचे।
आज मुलाकात हुई प्रधानमंत्री जी से, बहुत अच्छा लगा। आके पूछते हैं, जब पेंटिंग देखा देखते ही पूछते हैं आप कहाँ से हैं, तो जैसे बोला मिथिला, तो बोलते तभी ये पेंटिंग बनाई है आपने, बहुत सुंदर बनाई है। फिर मैंने वही बात हुई, उसके बाद मैंने बोला सर वसुधैव कुटुंबकम पे बनाई है जो आप थीम से प्रमोट करते हैं। फिर उन्होंने पूछा ये तो पूरी भरी हुई है, मैं कहाँ इस पे साइन करूं, तो मैंने कहा सर बीच में कर दीजिए, तो उन्होंने बीच में वहाँ पे साइन किया है।
Visuals on your screen of Prime Minister Modi's arrival in New York, and that's what he, or should I say, that's the manner in which he was greeted in New York. All places that the Prime Minister has gone to so far, be it Delaware, be it Philadelphia, and now New York, there is a sense of excitement. There is a tremendous amount of gusto and cheer among the Indian diaspora to see Prime Minister Modi. He greets them with folded hands. There's garba, there's singing, there's chants of Modi, Modi, and there's a lot that's happening on this 3-day visit of Prime Minister Modi to the United States.